Alright, I've got an unboxing from Fashion Nova. FashionNova.com. I love when they have specials. They had a BOGO special. And I got in on it. So I've got a wedding to prepare to go to. And it was BOGO. It was buy one, get one free. So my sister picked out a dress. And I picked out a dress. So naturally, we're going to open up mine. So she's taking too long. Alrighty. So it is a one sleeve. And it's ruffled. You guys, this feels like polyester. Quinlan, you want to come open yours? So this is how it goes, like this. It's open at the bottom. It's real cute. Quinlan, what? Come open yours. See, I gotta go through. Okay, right after this. So I'm gonna try it on while we're waiting on her to show up. I'm gonna try it on over my clothes and see what we come up with. Might as well. That way I know for sure it fits. That's one thing you don't want to see me do is try to figure out how to try on some clothes. Lord have mercy. There we go. I think I got it. Work. All right, so let me show you guys. Can you see? Uh-oh. You might not can see, but it looks like it could be cute. Oops, there we go. Okay. Definitely long. But it's cute. One sleeve. Now it will be for the fall, so I'm not sure, but hey, at least it fits. Ooh, shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Come on! Today! My video's almost over. Not y'all. Stop it. All right. Well, that was my outfit. So it fits. Here's her outfit. Yeah, I'm opening it. Ooh, this is heavyweight. Whoa. Wow. This is nice. Definitely heavy.
I'm trying to lay down.
And I'm trying to get this video done. Hold it up.
You don't care about no video?
Okay, I do. Hold
Whose
it up.
dress is this?
Yours. Hold it up. All right, so we have
God, that's big and heavy.
buttons. You know what? I realized it's gonna be fall there. It's pleated. Hold it up. I'm trying to look at it.
This ain't my dress.
Hold it up, please. Thank you.
Hurry up, Sean. I want to lay down.
Pleated. Has this cross. It's definitely gonna be good for the fall. We're gonna be Usually I will wash my items, but this time I'm going to use either the permanent press or the steam sanitize. And the reason being is because you don't know where this dress has been or any of that stuff. And again, I've had an experience with not washing my new item. So, and it is a 1X. Somebody told me XL and 1X are not the same, but I thought they were. So this might be a little big, but I'm okay with that. Because if it gets too big, I'll just sew it. So we're gonna put this in the dryer. I want to sanitize it. It takes an hour and 10 minutes to sanitize. And that's what I'm doing.